Okay, in this input is the first line of the input consists of an integer num of chemistry representing the number of chemicals. Okay. First you can take size of the array, that means size of the chemicals. The second line consists of n space separated integers, that means enter 1, enter 2, 2, 3, 4, and so on up to n chemicals. Output format is print an integer representing the total energy produced by the chemicals when the reaction happens. This is the program requirement. Size is 7. You can take the 7 elements, then output is 19. Why it is 19 means, in science research lab, combining two nuclear chemicals produces a maximum energy that the product of the energy of the two chemicals. To produce a new energy, highest energy, if you want to create highest energy, then you can add the two highest chemicals. అంటే హైయెస్ట్ కెమికల్స్ యాడ్ టూ హైయెస్ట్ కెమికల్స్ యాడ్ చేసి మనం ఒక న్యూ ఎనర్జీని క్రియేట్ చేయమన్నాడు. ఇన్ దీస్ హైయెస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఫస్ట్ హైయెస్ట్ ఈస్ 10 is the first highest. In these values, first highest is 10 is the highest value. Second highest is 19. That's why 10 plus 9 is 19. That's why we can find out the two highest energies and add that energies, then create a new energy. Okay, I want to create a program using Python. First, you can take size of the list. Int up, input up. Then you can take the elements of the list. A equals to list of map of int comma input of dot split of first side by side. Then you can identify the two highest energies. Then you can sort the elements. Simple. A dot sort of. To find okay, A dot sort of. Then print last element A of -1 plus A of -2 minus. Otherwise, A of n-1 plus A of n-2, whatever it is. And everything is accepted. Okay. Otherwise, you can use A of n-1. A of n-2. That is also the last element. Okay.